Ever look at your backyard and feel overwhelmed by the idea of starting a garden? You're not alone. We're told gardening needs endless space, time, and backbreaking work. But what if that's not true? Imagine a garden that waters and feeds itself, fits in a small corner, and barely needs weeding. This isn't a fantasy. It's a practical, time-tested method transforming gardens worldwide. All you need is a bit of sunshine, a small patch of yard, and a willingness to try something new. Let's discover a gardening secret that turns waste into wonder and proves anyone can grow a thriving garden. Whether you're in the UK, Canada, or the US, gardeners everywhere face the same struggles: poor soil, unpredictable weather, and composting headaches. Heavy clay, sandy soil, or just plain bad dirt can make growing anything feel impossible. Choosing the right plants for your climate is confusing, and compost piles can be messy, smelly, and attract pests. These challenges connect us as a community of growers. We all want to turn our little patch of earth into something beautiful and nourishing. But it's these very obstacles that spark innovation. What if there's a better way? Let's explore a method designed to overcome these exact problems and make gardening accessible to everyone. Enter the Keyhole garden, a solution born in sub-Saharan Africa for tough conditions and limited water. It's a circular raised bed with a keyhole-shaped cutout, making every plant easy to reach. At its center is a compost basket. Toss in kitchen scraps, water it, and nutrients seep out to feed your plants. This design saves water, space, and your back. No more endless weeding or bending. The central compost basket keeps the soil rich and moist, turning waste into fertilizer. Even with poor native soil or a tiny yard, you can grow a bounty. The Keyhole garden is a self-sustaining ecosystem, building healthy soil over time. It's proof that working with nature, not against it, yields extraordinary results. Anyone, anywhere can use this method to grow fresh food at home. Let's see how simple it is to get started. You don't need fancy equipment for a Keyhole garden, just a few basics. A sturdy shovel or spade shapes your bed and moves soil. A wheelbarrow or garden cart makes hauling materials easy. Durable gloves and a hand trowel protect your hands and help with planting. A watering can or hose with a gentle spray keeps your plants and compost basket moist. That's it, no expensive gadgets required. With these simple tools, you're ready to build, plant, and maintain your Keyhole garden. Let's move on to the first step for success. Before planting, learn your gardening zone. It's the secret to choosing plants that thrive. Use the USDA, Canadian, or UK hardiness maps to find your zone online in minutes. This info guides you to pick plants suited to your climate, so you get a lush, productive garden. Cold zone, grow hardy greens like kale and spinach. Warm zone, try tomatoes and peppers. Your zone also helps you time your plantings and experiment wisely. Place your garden in a sunny, protected spot, or use covers to extend your season. Your zone isn't a limit, it's your starting point. Work with nature and you'll see better results with less effort. Now let's talk about a curious phrase you might have heard. Yoba in Empire. Yoba in Empire is a phrase popping up in gardening circles, sparking curiosity and creativity. Some say it's a playful name for a garden's hidden magic, a moment when everything just works. Others link it to gaming, where Yoba is a deity in Stardew Valley and Empire means a thriving farm. Maybe it's a code for a secret compost trick, or just a way to celebrate unexpected garden success. The real meaning? It's up to you. Share your theories and stories. Gardening is as much about community and imagination as it is about plants. Let's keep the mystery alive as we grow together. Beyond the basics, a few special tools can make your Keyhole gardening even easier. A compost thermometer helps you monitor the core of your compost basket for healthy decomposition. The Hori Hori knife, a Japanese tool that digs, cuts, and weeds, is a versatile must-have. Durable plant markers keep your garden organized and help you track what you've planted. These aren't required, but they'll save you time and effort. All are easy to find online and make gardening more enjoyable. With the right tools, you'll spend less time troubleshooting and more time harvesting. Equip yourself for success and watch your garden flourish. Now, let's talk about starting your own Keyhole garden. Now it's your turn. Don't let another season pass with an empty yard. Find your gardening zone, jot it down, and use it to choose the right plants. Start small. Gather cardboard, rocks, and compost, and build your keyhole garden layer by layer. Involve family or friends and make it a fun project. Each layer you add brings you closer to a living system that gives back in abundance. This isn't just gardening, it's a sustainable, rewarding way of life. Turn kitchen scraps into treasure and watch your garden thrive. Share your progress, celebrate your first harvest, and inspire others to start. Your story could be the spark for someone else's journey. Let's grow something amazing together. Gardening is both a peaceful solo pursuit and a vibrant community experience. By building a keyhole garden, you join a global network of creative, sustainable growers. Share your photos, tips, and discoveries online. Your story can inspire others. Use hashtags like #KeyholeGardening to connect and learn. Subscribe to gardening blogs and newsletters for ongoing support and ideas. Let's support and encourage each other as we grow. The world needs more gardens, and more gardeners like you. Welcome to the community.